Hi everyone, this is David here at the Tokyo Humanoid Summit. I'm here with Takayuki Higo from Panasonic. Higa-san,
Yeah.
how has the summit been for you so far?
Yeah, actually, the various type of the customer visited our booth. Then I'm really surprised to know the new ideas from them. So that is a really good experience for us.
Yeah, it's really exciting. There's some great energy here. Can you tell us a little bit about what Panasonic is showing today? What are you exhibiting?
Yes, okay. So let me introduce our concept of our booth. So this time our theme is future prediction of the humanoid robots. So this is our expected future for the humanoid robot. Now it's using at factory or warehouse. But after that, it will be used outside, and sometimes they have to work at a hazardous environment. Then finally, it's gonna be used at home. So they will work for the uh, family care or child care or houseworks. So based on this story, we prepare the product for the each use case.
Oh, fantastic. Because Panasonic, of course, you make a huge variety of
Yeah,
products,
yeah,
so there's a
yeah.
lot of different
That's
robot
right.
applications that
Yes.
you can imagine.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to introduce our product that is already used for the other industry like automobile or factory automation or data center. So some of them can be introduced to the humanoid industry. So that is our trial this time.
Oh, fantastic. And I understand now we're going to get a chance to talk to some of Higa-san's colleagues, and they're going to introduce us to some of the specific products that they're exhibiting today. So let's take a look.